If you've ever typed "how to make money online" into a search bar, you probably immediately regretted it. You are instantly hit with a tidal wave of blinking ads, gurus screaming about passive income, and pop-ups promising you $1,000 by tomorrow. If you feel completely overwhelmed by all of this, you are not alone. Your frustration makes perfect sense. The internet treats making money like a giant lottery ticket, designed to confuse you rather than give you a logical path to follow. This represents a structured, logical way to navigate all of this, the digital income ladder. Each rung is a different way to earn. You start at the bottom with simple tasks and climb toward higher skills and income that runs on autopilot. Instead of guessing, this specific ladder structure gives you a blueprint to organize your time and protect your expectations as you begin. Let's look at exactly what happens on each step. The very first step is rung 1, quick cash. This level is made up of simple micro-tasks, like taking online surveys, categorizing images, or testing basic websites. Platforms like Swagbucks or user testing pay you to complete these small jobs. You don't need any special degrees or skills to do them, and you never have to pay a single cent to sign up. Because the work is simple, the pay is small. You can expect to earn an extra $10 to $50 a week, just enough to supplement your gas money or groceries. Earning your first $10 here acts as a low-risk testing ground to build your confidence. It proves to your brain that the internet can actually deposit real, spendable cash into your bank account. Once you trust the process, you can step up to rung 2, active income. This is where you move away from casual clicking and start applying specific skills. You still don't need a fancy college degree for this. We are talking about highly demanded, entry-level work like managing an email inbox, doing basic graphic design, or answering customer support chats. Freelance marketplaces like Upwork act as a digital bridge. They connect your skills directly to business owners who need help and are willing to pay competitive hourly rates. The economic reality at this level is that you are trading your time for money. If you clock out and stop working, the cash stops flowing immediately. But rung 2 gives you direct control over your earnings. If you have the hours available in your evenings or weekends, you have a reliable way to generate thousands of extra dollars every month. At the very top sits rung 3, passive assets. This is where you finally break the link between the hours you work and the money you earn. This shows how a digital product works. You create a digital file, like a printable planner, just once. It can then be downloaded by infinite customers. The storefront handles checkout and delivery, so the product sells automatically, 24 hours a day. Rung 3 requires the highest amount of upfront, unpaid effort to get started. But because there is no limit to how many copies you can sell, it can build a scalable source of revenue that continues while you sleep. As you climb, you will inevitably encounter hazards. These are the fake shortcuts, traps that falsely promise to give you rung 3 wealth without requiring you to do the work. A legitimate job asks you to complete tasks or use your skills. A scam will ask you to repackage expensive electronics shipped to your house, or demand that you buy a specialized starter kit before you can begin. This flowchart illustrates the one rule to filter out traps. Money flows to the worker, never from the worker. If a company demands an upfront fee, asks you to wire money back, or pay for a background check, they are breaking this rule. By rigidly applying this single financial filter to every opportunity you see, you remove the danger from the online job market and keep your bank account completely safe. You now have a complete view of the digital income ladder. The chaos of internet pop-ups is gone, replaced by a clear, manageable map. The most reliable way to climb is to start firmly on rung 1. Take a few surveys, generate some immediate cash, and prove the system works. Later, you can reinvest those early earnings into design tools to tackle rung 2 or 3. Ignore anyone selling you overnight success. Building an income stream takes time, and the safest way up is to simply trust the step-by-step nature of the ladder. Your goal for this weekend isn't to build a massive business. Your only goal is to find a microtask platform and safely earn your very first $5. By picking your starting rung and guarding your wallet against scams, you can turn a confusing search into a consistent way to add more to your bank account every month.